hearts in this noisy place. Jehovah Father, Jesus divine, hear our prayer through tears and time. If we had known this life before, we'd have knocked not at this world's door. Better unborn or a bird so free than live in pain so silently. We are your special children, Lord. Our voices lost, but hearts restored. Stare and turn, some with pity, some with scorn. Laughter echoes, whispers fall, but you alone have heard it all. In malls, in parks, among the crowd, we stand apart. But you, oh Lord, see our heart. We are your special children, Lord. Our voices lost, but hearts restored. Father in heaven, hear our cry. Lift our souls beyond the sky. Doctors say there is no cure. Therapies come, but hearts endure. Money fades, but pain remains. Yet your love flows through our veins. They call us cursed, born in sin, judge our parents deep within. But we know, Lord, you're still near. Your mercy stronger than our fear. If healing's not in your plan divine, still give us peace. Your will is mine. Lay your hand upon our pain. Let your purpose shine again. Our parents cry, their hearts are torn. For us, their souls are battle worn. Give them peace, oh Lord, we plead. Be their comfort in their need. Our silent song ascends to you, each tear a prayer, each sigh is true. Jehovah Father, Jesus